Okay, so I just got back from meeting with my consultant, my Sisterlock consultant. Well, first of all, my name is Patrice, and this will be my Sisterlock journey. My hair is a 4C. My hair is approximately 4 inches long, and I start my Sisterlock installation on tomorrow. So my consultant's name is Kashima, and I forget the name of her business, but I'll list it in the description box below. Kashima had me to come by tonight so she can start my rows. So tomorrow when we start my locks, she won't have to continue to make rows. She can just take down these small little braids and do the locks. So these are my rows, and I have very thin edges. So and let me see if I can show you the back. This is the back of my hair. So, but I'll make another video stating why I decided to do Sisterlocks, and I'll try to do videos to show different hairstyles because I don't see a lot of short Sisterlock videos. Not that maybe we could do much with our hair anyway. My hair is, I would say my hair is thin or fine, and it's low density, meaning I don't have a lot of hair on my head. So that's about it. I'll see you the next time. Bye.